Hello, I'm Mark Himmelfarb, Chief Technology Officer at First Orion. At First Orion, we're dedicated to providing phone call transparency through branded calling and in-network call protection and authentication solutions. We help businesses and consumers alike build trust in every call. But today, I want to talk about a game changer we've integrated into our operations, the Nova Act extension. This powerful tool has revolutionized how we handle form filling and data extraction, making our processes faster, more efficient, and incredibly user-friendly. Let me set the stage. Onboarding new customers often involves mountains of paperwork, like submitting phone bills to verify right of use for branded calling. It's manual, time-consuming, and varies wildly between communication service providers. That's where Nova Act extension steps in. Let's explore how we use the Nova Act extension for our first use case, form filling. Onboarding new customers for our services often involves partnering with tech enablers to create a seamless, high-speed experience. But it's not always smooth sailing. One major hurdle is the manual form filling required for compliance, like submitting phone bills as evidence for right of use of phone numbers in branded calling. Each communication service provider formats their bills differently, some as PDFs, others as web downloads, and gathering them is time-consuming for both our customers and enablers. This can extend onboarding from days to weeks. That's where Amazon's Nova Act extension comes in. Integrated right into our IDEs, like Visual Studio Code, it lets our analysts build and test Nova Act scripts effectively. For form filling, we use the extension's chat-to-script generation to quickly create automation scripts. Describe the workflow in natural language, and it generates ready-to-run code. Then, in builder mode, we iterate cell by cell, testing just the form submission parts in real time while watching the live browser view. No more full reruns or debugging headaches. It's cut our onboarding time dramatically.
I'm Tyler Presley. I'm an associate director at First Orion, where I lead teams of people and architectural strategy. In my role, I define clear expectations, optimize workloads, and ensure our technical solutions are scalable, secure, and aligned with business goals. I want to dive into how we tackle another key use case, data extraction for customer vetting. In customer vetting, we process multiple data points to spot inconsistencies and weed out bad actors. This means researching websites and third-party services that don't have APIs. Each site is different, making a one-size-fits-all process impossible, especially since vetting recurs for ongoing compliance. Using Nova Act, our team prompts in English. Extract company ownership, details, and risk indicators from this website. The agent delivers structured output in JSON with key fields for easy risk assessment. In builder mode, we refine prompts cell by cell, testing extractions on sample sites. Live views show the agent's navigation and reasoning, helping us optimize for edge cases like pop-ups or CAPTCHAs. This not only speeds up onboarding, but keeps recurring overhead low, allowing our team to focus on strategic growth. Nova Act changes that. With simple English language prompts, our team extracts structured information like business details, ownership records, or compliance history. It's recurrent, low overhead, and speeds up risk assessments. We've seen onboarding times drop significantly, and our vetting is more thorough yet efficient. Plus, as someone who oversees coding standards and technical debt, I appreciate how Nova Act integrates seamlessly, reducing complexity and letting us focus on innovation.
The Nova Act extension isn't just a tool, it's a strategic advantage. By automating these tasks, we're not only saving time, but also enhancing accuracy and security. Our teams can now delegate efficiently, resolve issues faster, and maintain compliance without the hassle. For example, in one recent case, what used to take hours of manual form filling now happens in minutes, allowing us to onboard more customers while upholding our high standards. And for data extraction and vetting, Nova Act's prompt-based system ensures we get reliable, structured outputs every time, helping us build a safer ecosystem for phone call authentication and transparency. It's transformed how we operate at First Orion, fostering collaboration, boosting productivity, and letting us champion our values of efficiency and trust. Visit nova.amazon.com to download Nova Act extension and see how it can elevate your processes too. Start building with Nova Act today.